Tired of resending nutrition labels every time your recipe changes? With Food Label Maker, you can share your label using a live link that updates automatically whenever your recipe does. Start by opening your completed label. In the top right corner, click Share. From here, choose exactly what you want to include, like the Nutrition Facts panel. Ingredient statement, allergen declaration, business details, label notes, or recipe tags. When you're done, click on Share Link. Then click Copy Link. You can paste your dynamic link into an email, message, or document and send it to retailers, auditors, suppliers, or co-manufacturers. The best part? Whenever you update your formulation, ingredients, serving size, or nutrition facts, the link always shows the latest version. No outdated PDFs, no back and forth, and no need to resend files every time something changes. You can also create a QR code for your label. This is especially useful for product packaging because customers can scan it and instantly view the full nutrition details, ingredients, and allergen information. And just like the live link, the QR code stays up to date too. For example, we've deleted the ingredient salt. The QR code will automatically display the updated nutrition label without salt in its ingredient list. So if your label changes later, the same QR code will still point to the newest version. Live links make it easier to share compliance-ready labels with your team and partners. QR codes make it easier to give customers clear, up-to-date nutrition information. One label, 2 easy ways to share it, always current.